MACD is one of the popular indicators used by traders because of its accuracy in uptrend and it's easy to use. And today I will show you how it works. My name is Simaligas, the man who is working tirelessly so that everyone in the world can hold at least one cryptocurrency in his wallet. So help me by like and comment on this very channel, subscribe and click on the bell icon so that the video can reach on every person in the world. And if you don't have a wallet, you can open a Binance account, Bitget account, bybit account, or coinbase account, and you collect up to 7,210 in bonus. So just go in my description below and you'll find all those links. So with that said, let's start the video. So MACD is found on every exchanger depending on which exchanger you're using to trade. But to me, I use Binance, so I will go here on technical indicators and I find it here. This is my MACD. MACD has 4 main features. The first feature is zero line. This is my zero line from here. This is our zero line, just as you can see it. Let me change the color so that you can understand it well. So where you are seeing a zero line there, let's use a big one. So this is our zero line, as you can see. And another feature, it has a MACD line. A MACD line is in most cases a blue line, as you can see from here. This is our blue line. And also it has a signal line. Our signal line is in red color, as you can see. Our MACD line is always on a fast length of 12, and our slow length, this is our signal line, is always on 26. So this is how it looks like. The theory behind MACD is pretty simple. When you see a MACD line crossing a signal line, this is a buy signal. And when you see our MACD line crossing the signal line, this is a sell signal, as you can see from here. Another feature on MACD is our histogram or a volume. This volume is here. So when our histogram started to go in red, as you can see, our lines also crossed from here. And when you see here, when they crossed up as a buy signal, this one changed a green color and showing a too much volume, as you can see. And this too much volume means that the buy signal will be strong. As you can see that it started from around here and it moved almost like, let me see, from here where it crossed from up to around here. This is almost 85%. As you can see that this buy signal was very strong. With MACD, this volume means a lot. As you can see that our volume was small, and when this line started to cross the signal line as a sell signal, as you can see that the volume was decreased and also this sign started to decrease. But when the volume started to increase, also our sell signal also increased, as you can see. And when it reached here and it crossed, as you can see that the volume increased and also here it increased a lot. So when you measure from here where it crossed from and you come up to this way, it was almost 30%. So this is how it works. So another thing that you have to understand, when the market starts to go sideways like this one, please don't buy. As you can see that also our lines and the MACD volume is too small. So this volume shows that you are not supposed to buy. You wait for the breakout from like here, as you can see that when it reached here and it crossed, so this is a buy signal and you can buy from here. So you can see that once it crossed from here, it started to move upwards. So another thing with MACD, it works thoroughly well in uptrend. In downtrend, it is not always accurate because it gives a lot of buying and sell signals which are false. As you can see from like here, this is a downtrend, but when it reached here, it started to cross, it tried to cross, but you can see here there is no buying or selling. It's almost in a downtrend. So when you see from here, also this is a false signal. These are false signals. You should not buy. When the volume is too small, don't bother to buy. So that's all with MACD. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Good luck. We meet again.